Okay, just a Sunday evening dinner. Just gonna throw a couple potatoes together. I got red potatoes, carrots, a little broccoli, and some cauliflower, and I'm gonna throw an apple. And as an added choice, I'm just gonna add some old crushed tomatoes, and we're just gonna throw it in our pan, and hopefully we'll have a good meal tonight. Okay, all right, so here we are in the end. I know I said I was going to use a little of the crushed tomatoes, and to make a long story short, we just decided not to because my pan is already overflowing. Just gonna throw a little, I can't believe it's not butter in there, and we'll see what we get. Alright, so along with my mishmash of mashed potatoes or sliced potatoes and carrots, I also have some pork chops, which have been sitting in the fridge now for about 3 or 4 days, marinated. So this is going to be my dinner for tonight.